I look so good, my man wanna park his Big Mac truck right in his little garage.
Big bad love when he talk to me. Fucking good, I'ma make him talk to me. These loyal ass hoes can't ride with the gang next time. I'ma make him walk to me. These bitches ain't real, they flogging. These squirtin' ass niggas keep.
Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revived my wig. My wig has been on for about maybe a month, I think. I think she did it like a month ago. It seems like that long. About a month ago, a little bit over a month ago, and it has a lot of gook and all that stuff. I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip on what's everything around the edges of this wig. I'm gonna pull it off and I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna show you guys what to use and how to get your lace real clean, and show you guys how I reapply my wigs today. So we can go ahead and get started on this video, because this wig needs to be relaid, it needs to be revived, it needs to be washed, it needs life back to it. I haven't really done anything to it lately because it was so hot the weekend, but it's so, like, guys, look, it's so crusty and crunchy. I need to get all that from around it and reapply it. This is a wig from RESHINEHAIR. I did a video on that. You can go check that out if you haven't already seen that video as well. So yeah, guys, I'm upstairs in this bathroom. I'm redoing this bathroom, so don't mind that there's nothing over there. I'm redoing everything. This picture coming down and everything. So yeah, guys, I'm in the bathroom. I'm about to try this in the sink because babe is downstairs right now. He's downstairs cooking Alfredo. So I don't want to be in the kitchen messing up his whole situation he got going on because babe is cooking. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to wash this in the sink and show you guys. I hate the lighting in this bathroom, but we just going to work with what we got for right now. So guys, look at all that around the wig. All that crust, gook, crust. The lighting in here is bad, but this is just a whole bunch of mess and gook that my wig has accumulated over the month. So I'm about to get all that off and come back and show you guys once I get all this off so I can reapply it. I'm looking real crazy right now, y'all. Look how this is an old cap. I'm taking this cap off and reapplying the new cap as well. I'm not redoing the braids today. That's not what's happening. We're not doing it. But anyway, so yeah, I'll be taking off this cap, reapplying the new cap, and cleaning this wig. So let's get started. So guys, this is how the wig is looking, real crusty, like real crusty. We are about to put some shampoo on it first. Well, we about to put some conditioner around this. I like to put the conditioner around that part, and then I'm going to use this brush to get to scrubbing. So it's been washed. Look at that lace. Clean. This is clean as I could get it because I wasn't going another hour. But I got most of all that gook and everything from off the edges. As you can see. So it'll be an easy application. Look at that. It's just a little bit left around the edges. Some of that is conditioner that I have sitting on the wig because I'm about to wash it out again. So yeah, look at that. Now you can see through the lace. Before we couldn't see nothing through this lace, honey. This thing was gooky, and look. See on the top of it. You can still see little specks of it, but you can't really see. I'm going to, once I wash the conditioner out, it's going to wash those little pieces I just was combing out when I was combing the wig out. Then I'm going to reapply. Alright, my style beauties, now that the wig is washed, the lace is clean. All the lace underneath here is now clean. You can just see a little bit, but it's not crunchy how it was. You can see how clean the lace is. I'm trying to flip some more of this back so y'all can see how clean it looks. Can you see that? How clean that lace is? So yeah, now that the lace is clean and I got everything, the wig in the most natural state is now dry. I haven't done anything to it. I'm just gonna split it so I can be able to control it a little more. I think I need to make sure all these hairs, I need to control the small hairs in the front. So what I'm going to do is take some of this to get it wet so I'll be able to maneuver this a little better. Go. Boom, I finally got it to flip back. So now this flip back, I'm going to go ahead and take this Got To Be Goose spray. So I'm again spraying this Got To Be spray on my edges so I can lay this wig down before I head over to my best friend's house to eat over there before work. Me and the fam. So yeah, this is the quick way that I lay it. I'm probably going to speed this up and play some music because to show you guys how I lay my wigs. I thought I was recording that whole time and I wasn't. But the baby hairs are laid for the most part. I had some rough. Alright guys, so I left it natural on this side with a little out. And I just put a couple baby hairs on this side. If you guys can see, I just put like 2. I think I'm going to need to do one more. And then clean it up right here. Let's see. So yeah, this is what I got so far. Just a real natural look on this side. Hope you guys can see it. Just real natural on this side. Nothing too crazy. again and I'ma pop you. Alright guys, so far I just put a couple baby hairs on this side. I'm gonna fix this one up here later. By the time y'all see the end of this video, just wait till the end. Y'all gonna see. It's gonna be laid a little better than this, but I gotta get out of here right now. So yeah, I just put a couple baby hairs on each side. Nothing too crazy. I'm trying to clean it up a little bit though. Get some of this white. Clean it up on this side. Yep, just a couple baby hair. Swoop it back. I'm gonna leave it in its natural state for right now. And then we gonna come back when hair and makeup is donezo, baby. That's how so I can show you the finished product on how to revive this wig, how I'm gonna end up styling it. I might not even put too many curls in it or anything, because I think I want to wear like one of the paperboy hats with this. So stay tuned for the end of the video to decide if I just leave it straight or put on a hat or something. I don't know, a headband. I'm not really sure what I want to do. If I do a headband, I might put some curls in it. If I do the hat, I might not put any curls in it, because it's going to be a hat smashing it anyway. So I'm just going to leave it like this for now, and stay tuned for the end. So I switched up the style for you guys. You guys going to see two photos at the end of this video. One with this headband on and the other one with the paperboy hat. I think this headband is so cute. With this top that I got from Shein. This is a cute little ruffle puff shoulder top that I got from Shein that tucks in jeans or anything. I just wore it to work to get some cute photos of this outfit. I'm sorry that my scenery is all like messed up because I'm in this bathroom. But yeah guys, I'm loving the look. I love it with this headband. Also, I'm going to show you a different look with the paperboy hat. I didn't want to put the hat on right now because I want you guys to see how well the lace and everything laid. I'm going to take this off real quick. I want to show you guys like how well the lace and everything laid with me cleaning the wig and reapplying it, guys. If your wig is not maneuvering right for you, 9 times out of 10, it just needs to be washed and stripped it of all the products and things that it has in it, and make sure you clean the lace, and baby, that hair will lay like no other. Like, I had this wig for 2 months now. This is a RESHINEHAIR wig. I had this wig for 2 months now, baby, and I've been wearing it, honey, wearing it. So yeah, this is the final result, giving us very much Stiffiana right now. I love it with the hairband. Let me see if I can put this. Oh, I'm messing up my hair. Let me see if I can get it on. Sorry guys, I had to get it back on my head. So yeah, that's the look. I wanted to show you guys the look with the headband on. This is the first look with the headband on that I did. The wig came out perfect after washing it and everything. So yeah guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what's up. Did I make this wig good? I haven't washed it in 2 months and it's back, baby. It feels great. It feels awesome. And when I apply the hat, it just changes the look, baby. Serving looks, honey. A red lip, honey, always serves, honey. A red lip is so sexy. So yeah, guys, this is the final look with the paperboy hat and the headband on the wig maintenance. I'm at work. It's like 2 in the morning. I did this makeup to complete this video right before I got here, and I'm looking real sexy for no reason. Guys, thank y'all so much for clicking on this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Become a cousin. Join the fam. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video because it's going to keep coming, baby. Y'all look at me. This mirror over here is so much better than that other mirror. That's why I'm always late, because when I'm cute, baby, I'm dancing and emphasizing. Dancing and emphasizing.
Big bad love when he talk to me. Fucking good, I'ma make him talk to me. Loyal ass hoes can't ride with the gang next time. I'ma make him walk to me. These bitches ain't real, they flogging. These first time ass niggas keep